What I want, people? I'm me, man, Mr. B. I may have a little small talk what I want to give. But before we get started, I just want to say to the people out there, if you like the video, I want you to just touch the little button, the like button, and just ring up the little bell there so that the notification bell. So when the next video drop, say you that up front, you know exactly where I go on. So, just touch a thing, share with your friend, like, and thing. Now, Monday gone was National Heroes Day in Jamaica. And I want to use the opportunity for those big up all Jamaicans who were accorded, so to speak. Well, not everybody, but in general, Jamaicans go out there and put themselves on the line, and I want to just big up the awardees, people get certificate of this and order of distinction and commander, and some get order of Jamaica. But it's the order of Jamaica part I want to talk about, because I noticed that Sheryl Lee Ralph was accorded to the status of Order of Jamaica, Most Honorable Sheryl Lee Ralph. And I am sitting down here and I'm wondering, for what? Sheryl Lee Ralph has had a extended career in film here in the United States of America. And she wasn't a big actress, so to speak, but she did a fair amount of time. Journey, I would have called her a journey woman actress. And so I take nothing away from that, But the question that it begged to me is, where she do for Jamaica accord her that status of Most Honorable Order of Jamaica? Yeah? That me not understand that. And me reach out for people like Sherlock Holmes, Professor Moriarty, the Phantom, Mandrake. Me I try to find all of them to see if them can help me find. Because I most magic, so I call Mandrake. And I try to find out where she do, because me can't figure it out. Me think we really need to take a serious look on this national honor and award thing, because when it reaches a stage where, we put them status out there upon people, the Jamaican National Honors and Awards, one would think that the recipients, there's unquestionable merit for these awards, and no matter how me turn the thing over, me go for my spine glass, me go for my telescope, my microscope, and I know me can't figure out where Sheryl Lee. Me can't see it. And me a beg on out there. If you don't know more than what me do, I think me do a fair amount of research, because that's what me good in. Me specialize in research. And me can't figure it out. Don't tell me say she have, philanthropic and thing. Everybody all about the place in a philanthropy. They have some kind of non-profit and them do this and our thing with AIDS, whatever. That don't have nothing to do with Jamaica. Right? We have to be careful in Jamaica that what we are doing is discounting the value of these awards. I see him way couple years ago, we see Al Miller, dip on top and big publicity for national award. Al Miller literally questionably can't find him gun. Them find him with Dudus in a car. Dudus a most wanted figure in Jamaica, and we have a award them on the national award. And by the same token, we turn on and we give this award to Sheryl Lee Ralph, and we can't figure out what is our claim to fame. It is not sufficient that she's a journeywoman film star. right? It is not sufficient neither that her mother, the late Ivy Ralph, who had gotten a order of distinction, when she was around, right? That cannot be the qualification. It's a different thing if them did kind of gear a little order of distinction for the journeyman film thing. But order of Jamaica, come on, Jamaicans, man. We need to be more serious. We need to place value, because if we don't value the things then, right? Things that are important, and we can't be clear in our mind as to what is important to Jamaica and Jamaicans, then it don't make no sense. One would think that somebody who merits an award of this nature, and the fifth highest national honor, is somebody whose credentials are without question, right? Beyond any kind of dispute, whose accolades are such that the minute them come in a space, them light up the place in terms of their contribution. The mention of them name evoke the kind of response that is almost surreal. That's what heroes are, right? And somebody who is accorded an Order of Jamaica award is walking in the footsteps of heroes. That's what it is. And that's what we are saying to our nationals when we accord Jamaicans to these honors. Here is a person who exemplifies the best that you can, whatever, and who has demonstrated so much to hoist the flag of the nation and provide the kind of impetus, the kind of motivation to Jamaicans of all walks of life to be like, a Shelley and Fraser Price, unquestionable. Usain Bolt, oh my God, we don't need to talk about that. We can go outside of Jamaica. Harry Belafonte. Harry Belafonte was accorded the Order of Merit. I think that was in 2018. There's no question as to why. Harry Belafonte epitomizes what we look for Jamaicans who have gone overseas and have made their mark. A stalwart of the civil rights movement. His contribution to Jamaica in terms of the music, Day-O, Day-O, Day a Light, and we want to go home. The move from traditional to mental, right? From when we had the folk music and move to recorded music. Harry Belafonte is at the forefront of that. And then behind that, you look at his work behind on the silver screen, and you look at his work in terms of the contribution he has made to the American civil rights movement. Most Jamaicans would not have realized that we have a Jamaican who played such a pivotal role in that time of the struggle in America, so that Jamaicans like me can come America and we climb on the shoulders of a giant like a Harry Belafonte. Tell me what Sheryl Lee Ralph do so that one can take me off her. Because I can't see. And I put on, I buy all the new glasses, so that I can look and see. Because maybe the old glasses me never see good. And I know, I can't figure out what she do. Right? So it begs the question, who are a friend? Because clearly, it's a friend and company thing. We have to do better than that down in Jamaica. Because what we are doing is devalue all of these little things that we need to be holding up as and hold the country as a shining star, a beacon. We need to stop it. Right? Maybe you own have to say in the comment section of the video. Yeah? And again, may I ask if you like the video, touch the bell, so that when a new video drop, you can be among the first to know what going on. And like and share with your friend. Respect. Let me hear from you.